With our 54 Inspire, we designed a vehicle to make the transition from a petrol-powered scooter to an electric-powered scooter much easier. We tried to focus on a lower price point, and to reach that with my engineering team we went through all the features and reduced it to the basic core of its values. We didn't take any compromises in regards of handling, riding experience and usability, but reduced the vehicle to its core values for daily usage. Despite the lower price of the 54 Inspire, you basically will not miss any features you know from the other models, like the Iconic. The Inspire comes with one battery, and you can store up to 3 batteries within the battery compartment. The only difference is if you want to use the second battery, you need to swap it with the first one, because the Inspire only has one battery connector, which helps us lower the price. What we saw from the market, especially in the cities, people normally use only one battery. So the remaining space can be used for cargo, for any kind of transportation. As only one battery can be connected to the system, we removed the front charging plug because that's no longer needed. The 54 Inspire is especially designed for urban usage. So meaning you will charge your battery in the flat or in your apartment. Due to that, we removed the front charging plug. Also, this works as an anti-theft device, because if there's no battery in your vehicle, nobody can drive away with it.